Hopefully, you guys can hear me clearly. Uh, I did a little experiment, started a new demo account with $1,000 because I was trying to grow it, and I was recording, but it didn't record. So, no biggie. Just gonna start where we left off. Uh, First of all, just looking at the chart in its entirety. This is the 5 minute chart here. Hopefully, you guys can see that. And this is the Akola Incorporated OTC stock. And what we're looking for is first of all, the stock with the most yield in return, which is right now Apple. Apple's pretty good, 88%. What's 88%? Aussie Chef. I know that's gonna, but I'm gonna just go to Apple. Apple and Silver are like the coolest. And what I'm looking for with the chart, I want to see if there's any setups or any good reversals. Here at the 5 minute, it's showing a good reversal. It was on an uptrend, went up to around 132.800, and is now currently teetering and going up and down at 132.590 to 560 in that area or whatever right now on the current candlestick of the 5 minute chart. And we're going to zoom out and see the full picture before you start anything. And what I want you to do when before you mark up anything, this is mobile, you know what I'm saying? I can't really show you too much because of how I'm limited on mobile, but I will do my best to explain these levels, starting from left to right. You have a high that comes down, and this would be great to have a pointer, but the Fibonacci candlesticks from the left to the right. You have a high that comes down, bounces up to 33.500, a little bit higher than that. Then it drops, takes a break at 132.400 area, drops some more below 131.500 area. The prices that I'm naming, by the way, is to the right. That's where I'm getting these numbers from. As it drops down from 131.500 in that area, it bounces back up. It creates an M. It creates a letter M. Do you see that in the middle of the screen? And then decides to shoot up. So now that it is at its current price and it is showing signs of a reversal, we want to know, all right, can we get in for a sale? Can we get in for a sale? Before I get in for a sale and buy and start marking up my charts and all that other stuff, I want to make sure that the momentum is not going to push back up. I'm seeing sale right now at the current price that it's at. But in order to avoid me getting into a larger time frame reversal, we want to go all the way up to the 1 hour. Let's just go up to the 1 hour chart from the 5 minute chart. And you can see here, if you zoom in, that it is currently on a positive candlestick. A positive green candlestick with a flat bottom. Flat bottom candlesticks that are green means that it is a strong push upward with no negative drawdown. There's no wick at the bottom. Again, there is no wick at the bottom. So if I was looking for sales, it would be very hard to say that the momentum of sales is going down and that you're going to get your money if you jump in for a sale. What do I mean by that? With it going on the 1 hour for a positive buy flat bottom candlestick, this current candlestick, you really want to be looking for pullbacks of the sale to get in for a buy. All right. So my first analysis on the 5 minute chart, we saw that it was going down, or it looked like it was going for a reversal. Okay. Looks like it's going for a reversal. But as you can see here, if I would have hopped in any sale, just jumped in, I wouldn't have made any money at all. So be very mindful of that. When you just look at the 5 minute chart and you don't go into higher time frames, you will get eaten up in the market. All right. Now I'm going to see if I can go into a lower time frame to catch a 30-second contract expiry time. But again, keep in mind, if I do go for a sale, remember that the higher time frame on the 1 hour is showing a positive candlestick going up. Positive candlestick, flat bottom is going up, right? So we don't want to look for that right now. We don't want to look for that right now. We want to wait What are we waiting for? We're waiting for clear confirmation. You see how you have all those green candlesticks, a little bit of wicks here and there, so forth and so on. You know, you can get in that way. And be confident. If you were in this market a little bit earlier, after that M that you see towards the bottom left, if you were getting in like that, hey, that's perfect. It's perfect. So we're going to wait. I want to see this thing come down and show confirmation that it's dropping on a 5 minute to get in for a sale. How long do you have to wait? How long should you wait for a confirmation? We want a flat top candlestick, red candlestick that indicates it's selling with momentum. Selling with momentum. We have a consecutive candlestick on this 5 minute. We want to wait until the opening of the next candlestick. Watch it fluctuate. If it fluctuates, you don't get in. But if it drops, you want to get in. This is the 30-second contract expiry time. 30-second contract expiry time, all right? So right now, this current candlestick, which has 3 minutes and 20 seconds left till it gets to its next candlestick, you want to see what's going on in the lower time frame. So we're going to go to the 1 minute time frame. And we see right there it is dropping, but it's not enough confirmation. It could drop to 32.300. It could. You want to enter in the next candlestick? You can. In fact, I'll do that as an example. I'll enter in $200 on a negative candlestick or red candlestick. I hate saying negative. On a sale. But you see that wick at the top? That's not good. We don't want that. We want clear direction. We don't want to play with the markets. We don't want to guess. But because it had a flat top on that previous candlestick, we got in. We got in and, you know, we were fine. You know, so it absolutely cleared. Absolutely cleared. Let's go to the 30 seconds to see it clear. It absolutely cleared. And it could continue to go down, you know. But, you know, it's a risk in everything, you know what I'm saying? So we got blessed because it starts to come back up. It didn't clear down. We got blessed on that one. I could have broke even and would have lost money. You know what I'm saying? I would have lost money if my contract was a little bit shorter or whatever the case was. We would have been out of there. But we got in at the right time. So that's why we made profit on that little 30-second contract right there. All right? Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.